Nydia, founder of EnLuz and an international speaker, provides strategic advisory across data science, AI ML, quantum computing, neuroscience, and IT risk and security. She leads global quantum and AI literacy programs with a focus on accessibility and economic development. EnLuz delivers strategic advisory and consulting. Her team was a finalist in the Global Industry Challenge Neuro-Quantum Nexus, announced at the Quantum World Congress. In 2024, she was a finalist in a Global Climate Challenge, which led to a quantum fellowship sponsored by the US Navy Nuclear Laboratory, culminating in a materials discovery publication. She was named Top Women in Analytics, nominated for the Athena Leadership Award, and recognized with MetLife's Center Stage Award for her impact on digital transformation and compliance.
Today, neuroscience focuses more on the functional brain data. What we know in this case is that we have different areas that respond to different stimuli. We know which area processes the optic nerve, the input of information, the cortical area, the subcortical areas. We can't pinpoint within those areas the exact process by which a thought is occurring or why certain areas light up simultaneously to the depth that we need. The way that we look into the functional data for diagnoses and different research is through MRIs and CAT scans. If we had somewhat of a helmet that can do this, it could detect trauma instantly, and the survivability of these individuals would be prioritized. Many times the counter arguments for some of this technology is an or statement on whether it's classical or quantum. From my perspective, it's always an and on the areas where maybe there's additional complexity or known limitations. If we were to be able to bridge some of these with a hybrid of different sensing capabilities within the same device, we would be able to even detect the metabolic rate at which a disease could be progressing, be it in civilian states or in the battlefield. If we were to have a cognitive node load monitoring in a helmet, we could potentially see when an individual or a soldier is getting to a point where their decisions where they're not using their frontal cortex, which is what enables us to make good decisions, and they are maybe just operating from the neocortex, which is more of our emotional center. We would be able to see at what baseline or what is necessary within the pool of soldiers to be able to finish a certain assignment, or what areas will start engaging more properly as the individuals are having to make those life and death decisions. But then there's a situation of privacy and consent, right?
Watch the full presentation online. Search for Quantum Security Defense.